How to sign Minecraft Education Edition. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your browser, then search for Minecraft Education Edition. Then tap on this education.minecraft.net website, and from here tap on this 3-line menu bar, tap on this profile icon, and now you can sign in using your Microsoft account. Simply write your Microsoft account and then tap next, or if you do not have your Microsoft account, you can simply create one by tapping over here. Let me get you through how to create a Microsoft account. First, what you have to do is simply add your Gmail address, then tap on next. Since this account is already a Microsoft account, I can directly use it like this and tap on next. Then simply tap on password. If you do not remember your password, tap on email code to your email address, and then your code will be up here, but since I know my password, I will just enter my password. Then simply sign in and tap on yes and done. Tap on accept. Now you are signed in to Minecraft Education Edition. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.